Assalamu alaikum. How to make your Android mobile home screen buttons like iPhone buttons. As you can see by default the home screen buttons of my mobile. In my case I am using Samsung Galaxy A14 mobile. You can try it on your own mobiles. So let's start the process. First of all open setting and from here scroll down and find the option display. Tap on it. From here find the option navigation bar and tap on it. From here change this option from buttons to swipe gestures. Now the buttons will be changed. Now let me teach you how to use these three buttons. The first one is used as a back button. As you can see, when you swipe it to the upside, so it will work as a back button. The second one is middle one is used for removing all the apps from the home screen. The third one is used for showing you background apps. So with this method, you can use your mobile with new look and best experience. Thank you for watching.